Maglaro tayo ng konti. The title of this mini game is called Put the Finger Down. First, put the finger down if you have ditched any invitation just so you could rest or sleep.
Ito yung buong kaya po dyan. Kasi sa sobrang dami po namin ginagawa, parang very important po yung rest.
Mas gusto na lang po namin matulog kaysa lumabas.
Put the finger down if you have a friendly or girl crush on any of your fellow members. Mukhang wala, no? Meron ba?
Crush tong mga
Put the finger down if you're a fangirl of any pop idol. Maybe local or international.
Yes.
May I ask kung sino?
So, local po. Actually, yung P-pop po in general, we like P-pop groups. Kasi we listen to their songs.
Okay.
Talaga sa training namin.
Put the finger down if you forgot lyrics to a song. Sino ang notorious dyan?
Ako pa, di ko po alam bakit parang may one time po nag-perform kami and then kalagitnaan, nakalimutan ko yung lyrics. Tapos akala ko yun lang yung first time. Tapos every time na nagpo-perform, nakakalimutan ko talaga. I'm so sorry.
So how do you recover from that? Paano ginagawa mo sayo na lang?
Parang may nasasabi akong word tapos nasusundan ko na lang yung dulo. Parang ganun po.
Basta katunog.
Move on na lang po siya.
Nag-move on na lang. Put a finger down if you look to your fellow members mid-performance to catch up with the choreography.
Yes. Ako po pag may aberya na sa nyari may nagkamali na ako sa simula, wala na yan. Hinihila na lang nila.
Nagpapanik.
Put a finger down if nabudol ka na.
Ouch! Ito po, ako po talaga, real budol. As in, nanakawan po talaga.
Sa event?
Hindi po sa event, like sa kalsada lang po, na-hypnotize po ako. And then nakuha po yung wallet and phone ko.
Recently lang to?
Last year, September po.
hypnotized.
As in, umuwi po ako sa members ko, luhaan po talaga.
Ano yun? A random stranger
Yes
approach?
po, random stranger na parang talamak po dun sa
Lugar.
area na yun. Yung ganong
Kaya sana
klaseng
ma-stop na
anak
po
ko.
yun kasi
Yes.
grabe yung trauma.
Please.
Grabe.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.